I'm at the top of 17 Hundy, which has been refurbished by Trail Pro as well. Gone through and changed a few features. We've got a new sign up here just to alert that the trail has changed. It's by and large the same, but jumps have been perked up a little bit. Some of the berms have been reworked, and we have been through and put gravel through the trail, so hopefully makes it a little less slippery, makes it a little bit more all year round riding. Yeah, I'll take you for a full top to bottom lap. Can't wait to open it. Looking again soon, like as soon as we get a good run of weather, we'll have it open to members and the public. Ready?
Yep.